Aloha! We are here to awaken the creator in you through our DIY experiments and tips and incredible conversations with pros from around the world you should know. If this is your first time here, click above and watch this first. You get to meet the incomparable and stunning scientist, Christina. She's our first official guest on our FemBoss Creator Series, and she also contacted us to get some interior style advice before she moves from Germany to the USA. In this video, you'll hear directly from Christina as she shares invaluable DIY tips you can also adopt in your daily life. Another amazing fact about Christina is that she decided to dedicate at a minimum this past year to not purchase anything unless she absolutely needed to. So besides the basics, she made this commitment to consume less and live more. Let's learn from the doctor herself from her flat in Germany.
One thing I want to talk to you about is repurposing things. Because I think that this is great for the environment and also for your wallet. So I want to show you a few things that I like to repurpose, which is most of all bags that you get when you go shopping. When I go shopping and I get some shopping bags, I use them as bin bags for paper or also for the plastic bags. Also, I repurpose jars. For example, these little jars that you get with pickles or with jam or whatever, you can use them for drinking. Or you can also use them like Tupperware, like you can transport your lunch in it, which I think is very handy. And I also like to repurpose coffee, so I just had a coffee and now the powder is down here in this little thing. You can dry it. And when you have dried it, you can use it as fertilizer in the garden, or you can also use it for your skin as a scrub with soap or with oil, and that's good for you. And I have also resealable bags that you sometimes get when you order clothes or something, and I use them to keep my toiletries for when I go to the gym or when I travel, because for 1 year I couldn't buy anything, so I had to be creative in finding storage or anything really. So I'm a big fan of reusing stuff, so if you have any more advice for me or any more ideas how I can repurpose anything that I have to buy, then let me know.
We absolutely will, and thank you so much for being our first FemBoss. If you like what you've seen, introduce yourself in the comments, like and subscribe to our channel.